Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and this is the card that we are making today using free Thinlits from Celebration. Let's get started. Okay, so we will start with the Big Shot. Our card has no stamping, so it's going to come together very quickly. This is a piece of foil sheet, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And I already went ahead and put on the adhesive sheets. And then I'm just going to cut out the Celebrate and You. And we will get that out of the way. Now I'm just going to pop out our words here. And it is fairly easy. I'm going to go ahead and get my paper piercer just to make it a little bit quicker. Alright. So we will start putting our card together. And I have a piece of Island Indigo, and this is cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and it's scored at 4 1/4. And now I'm going to pull off the adhesive piece just like that. And then we'll center that up just like that. And now I have a piece of the Picture Perfect Party Designer Series paper, and this is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And I'm just going to put some snail adhesive on that. And then we'll center that just like that. And now I'm going to pull off the back of the Celebrate. And just going to put it right down here. Now for the inside of the card, I have a 1/2 inch piece of what we cut off from the Picture Perfect Party by 5 1/2. And I'm just going to put that down with some snail. Alright, and then I'm going to take the U, pull the back off of that, just like that. So we have Celebrate You. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you need any of the supplies, you can click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye!